A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, this time is for English period. So students, now your unit test exams are coming soon. So you have to revise all the question and answers of the chapters as well as the MCQs, whatever the MCQs I already explain you in the videos. You have to memorize all the MCQs plus paragraph. Today we'll do one paragraph also. So you have to learn these things because they are coming in the exam. Short answer type questions, long answer type question, MCQs, fill ups, true false, matchups. All the things are coming in your exam. And in exam, we are giving you only 1.5 hours to do the question paper. So students, now this video is related to the first chapter number 1 of supplementary reader. The name of the chapter is A Tale of Two Birds. So enhance your subject knowledge through A Tale of Two Birds, MCQs, online test, and lay a strong foundation of your basics. Variety of answers with MCQs on A Tale of Two Birds provided, and know where you went wrong. Use some objective type questions in a class 6th. A Tale of Two Birds MCQs with answer provide below. So these are the questions. The questions are like this: where did the bird and her newborn babies live? Where did the bird and her newborn babies live? In a house, in a farm, in a forest, or in a burrow? So all of you, I believe all of you know the answer of this one. In a forest, right? This question number 2. Who killed the mother bird? Who killed the mother bird? A hunter, a storm, a peasant, a parasite. So all of you know that a strong wind came, and through that strong wind, what had happened? The tree has broken. Because of that tree has broken, the nest is going fall down, and both of the little birds are separated. All right. So the answer is, who killed the mother bird? A storm. Storm means क्या होता है? आंधी. What question number 3. What for did the king come to the forest? किंग क्यों आया था जंगल? Hunting, amusement, resting, none of these. So the answer is hunting. Now the 4th question, students, you have to learn all the questions again and again. Watch the video, learn again and again, and I request you, if you are going to listen, whenever you are going to listen the question, first what you have to do, you have to watch whole video. After that, again you have to play the same video, and then after, you have just write the questions. Do not write the answers. And then after, close your mobile phone, you can write your answers yourself. So through this practice, you can check out how many answers you have learned. So now moving forward to the question number 4. What did the king see in the forest? A tiger, a deer, a lion, a rabbit. What did the king see in the forest? A tiger, a deer, a lion, a rabbit. So the answer is a deer. Question number 5. Why did the king lose his way in the forest? Why did the king lose his way in the forest? Means राजा जंगल का रास्ता क्यों भूल गया था? Why did the king lose his way in the forest? He was not known to the place. He was not known to the place. His horse put him on the wrong. He had gone deep into the forest. none of these. So the answer is the king, he had gone deep into the forest. क्यों भटक गया था वो रास्ता? क्योंकि उस जंगल में बहुत अंदर तक चला गया था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, वेयर डिड द किंग गो? किंग कहाँ गया? टू अ हाउस, टू ए टेम्पल, टू अ प्लेस, टू अ केव. घर में गया था या मंदिर में गया था या अपने राजमहल में गया था या गुफा में गया था? वेयर डिड द किंग गो? टू अ हाउस, to a temple, to a play palace, to a cave. So the answer is to a cave. Whom did he see there? वहाँ पे उसने क्या देखा? A brown bird, a guard, a wicked man, a holy man. So the answer is, all of you know that because the name of the chapter, a brown bird. A Tale of Two Birds. The name of the chapter is A Tale of Two Birds. So this story is related to the bird. The main character is bird. Question number 8. Who did who said this? Quick, hurry up, come and take his jewels and his horse. किसने कही थी ये बात? जल्दी करो और जल्दी आओ, इससे ज्वेलरी लेके जाओ और इसका घोड़ा भी लेके जाओ. Who said this? Quick, hurry up, come and take his jewels and his horse. The wicked man, the guard, the wicked brown bird, none of these. So the answer is the wicked brown bird. What did the king do then? उसके बाद राजा ने क्या किया? Stole the jewels, stole the horse, went into the cave, rode away. So after getting this type of voice, who said this? Quick, hurry up, come and take his jewels and his horse. After this, what did the king do then? Went into the cave, rode away. The answer is rode away. Question number 10. Where did the king go next? उसके बाद राजा कहाँ गया? To a house, to a palace, to an ashram, to a temple, to an ashram. वेलकम टू द आश्रम हु ग्रीटेड द किंग. आश्रम में आपका स्वागत है, ऐसा किसने कहा था राजा से? द ऋषि, द गार्ड, द विक्ड बर्ड, द बर्ड. द बर्ड. हु आस्क द किंग टू शेयर हिज फूड? किसने कहा राजा से टू शेयर हिज फूड? राजा से किसने कहा चलो खाना खाते हैं? The Rishi, the guard, the bird, the dacoits. The Rishi. Now the question number 13. Who told the story of two birds to the king? The bird, a common man, a dicot, the Rishi. So the answer is the Rishi. Question number 14. Who said this man? Who said this? A man is known by the company he keeps. The holy man, the king, the bird, none of these. The holy man. So these are the MCQs of the chapter which you need to learn again and again, and you have to do one thing else. You have to note down all the MCQs in your rough notebook, and then after do it yourself, because it's not necessary you are watching the videos uh, 2-3 times and you may be able to memorize the answers, but yes, if you are going to write it down the answers again and again, definitely you can memorize all the answers. So students, I request you, all of you, you have to do these MCQs in your rough copy and learn as well. I also request to you note down in your rough copies, and then after, if you have noted down in your rough copy, and then after do it yourself and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. I believe all of you know my personal WhatsApp number, So please send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Whosoever the students are going to send me the work on my personal WhatsApp number, I mark their attendance only. So students, do not only watch the video, you have to write it down in your rough copy through for practice, right? So students, these are the MCQs of today's class. Now we are going to do the paragraph, unseen passage. Thank you.